radials go there or there. Wires. It goes from, with this length of wire, which is 3 meters, it'll go from 15 meters to 40 meters. It doesn't go as low as 80. But it's precision tuning. When you get your resonant frequency, you just give them out with a magic marker, or even better, a solder tag on the actual wire. Comes with a pole. These poles are costing £9 a post because of the length. I mean, they weigh nothing. I've only got it spiked in with a 10mm threaded bar. Get them from any hardware store for £3. Better than any ground